Assalamualaikum. In previous video, you learned about the difference between the mean and median. But what about the mode of a dataset? What in the world does this mean? Well, mode is a just technical word for the value in a dataset that occurs most often. In the datasets we have seen so far, there hasn't even been a mode because none of the data values were ever repeated. But what if you had this dataset? This set has a 6 members, but some of the values are repeated. If we arrange them, you can see that there is 1 1, 2 2s, and 3 3s. The mode of this data set is the values that occur most often or most frequently. So that would be 3. Since there is a 3 3s, now don't get confused because the number 3 was repeated 3 times. The mode is the number that is repeated most often, not how many times it was repeated. As I mentioned, if each member in a dataset occurs only once, it had no mode. But it's also possible for a dataset to have more than one mode, as example of a dataset slide that. In this set, the number 7 is repeated twice, so it's the number 15. That means they tie for the title of the mode. This set has a two modes, 7 and 15. Okay, so now that you know what the mean, median and the mode of the dataset are, let's put all the new information to use the one real world example. Suppose there is a guy who makes and sells custom guitars. Here is a table showing how many guitars he sold during each month of the year. Let's find the mean, median and mode of this set. First, to find the mean, we need to add up all the numbers. The answer I get is 108. So that's the total he sold for whole year. But to get the mean sold each month, we need to divide the total by the number of months, which is 12. 108 divided by 12 is 9. So the mean or average is 9. Next, to find the median of a data set, we are going to arrange the 12 data points in order from smallest to the largest so we can figure out what the middle value is. Since there is an even number in this set, we can't just choose the middle number. So we are going to have picked the middle of two numbers and then find the mean of them. 9 and 10 are in middle, so we need to take the mean of 9 and 10. That's easy. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19 and 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. The mean is 9.5, so the median of the number of the guitars sold is the 9.5. Last of all, let's identify the mode of this data set. There is 3 tens in a data set. That looks like a most frequent number. So 10 is the mode of a data set. Alright, so that was the basic of mean, median and mode. There are 3 useful properties of the data set and you know how to find them. But sometimes the hardest part about the mean, median and mode is just remembering which is which. So remember that mean means average, median is the middle and the mode start with MO, which can remind that is the number that occur most often. As always, thanks for watching Study Point.